How's it going, guys? Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, back with another inspirational video. Hey, I've been showing you guys for weeks now on how you can capitalize and grow a small account trading accumulation and distribution on the S&P 500. Now I'm showing you how to make your money. This is all in one day, guys. This is all in one day. Let me let this car go by. But I'm showing you guys how you can make $500, $600 plus a day trading the S&P 500, trading accumulation and distribution. If you guys want to make real money, feel free to go to the YouTube channel. Let this car pass by. Feel free to go to the YouTube channel and sign up on any of the mentorship programs you want. All right, the pro trader is going to give you access to my charts as well as trading ideas, and the professional trader is going to give you access to my signature trading strategy. All right, guys, until next time, always remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. Happy pip fishing. Bye-bye.